The next I want to talk to you about, which is new to me, is one-on-one flavors, Ooh Flavors. Their website is ooflavors.com, which is O. Let me show you this without showing my. So this is their info. Ooflavors.com, OOOflavors.com. It's called One-on-One Flavors. And so this is what I ordered. I asked a few people about them. Were they really good? I bought these to use in my drinks, my waters, my sparkling waters. I do like a flavor um, in my drinks. And so they are known as zero carbs, 0 calories, 0 sugars, water soluble, which means you can cook with these as well as use them in drinks. As you see, they got a recipe here for their banana keto bread. A lot of people was a lot of people were talking about their cornbread flavoring. Um, I'm not there yet. I don't think I would use these drops to cook with as of right now. I can't say in the future if it's an ingredient that I want to try. Um, but they do. It does come with a banana keto bread recipe. They have a whole lot of flavors. They also have emulsions and powders as well. They're out of Las Vegas, and they pretty much go to the keto conferences and stuff like KetoCon and things like that. And so I kept seeing people talking about these, and I said, I like flavored drinks. As you see, it says gluten-free, vegan-free, diabetic-friendly. There's no sugar in them. 4x1 gram bottles. So this is their I guess you want to say their try it flavors. As you can see, the bottles are not that big. This is the fruit pack. So this one comes with a ripe banana, a ripe strawberry, a watermelon, and a blueberry. Now let me tell you, when I opened up the package, the smells hit me in the face. So I was like, ooh, I know these gonna be good. I smell it, and I'm just opening up the shipping package. And then I got these, which is, I tried the candy. These are the fruit oils, and they got a bunch of fruits. But this is their little try it pack, and these are the fruits that it comes with. And I think these were $9.99, $8.99, something like that. And then they have a candy oil lineup. And I got the strawberry candy, happy heart candy. I'm thinking it's just like, when you get those hard strawberry candies. And then I got the hard watermelon flavor. Now I'm still working with these. Um, yeah, I'm still trying these candy. So far, I like the fruit over the candy. It's just giving it a really strong, more of a, I don't know, I want to say a chemical-like taste, and I don't want to really say that because yesterday when I got them out the mail, I was like, ooh, I didn't read the directions, and I just filled up my cup with some Sans Pellegrino and ice, and I was just taking dropperfuls and dropping them in. On their website, they do tell you how to use it and how many drops per liquid or whatever, because I was just like, this ain't giving what it's supposed to give when I was first trying it. And so I was like, I want my money back. But I dumped that cup because I was just taking dropperfuls and just dropping it in, trying to make it taste like something. And I didn't like the taste. And long and behold, I used too much. So that's why it was tasting really weird. But once I read the directions, and then I went back with another cup of my Sans Pellegrino and put in the correct amount according to my taste. And actually, before that, I used another dropper full of these. I used the banana and the strawberry, and I just took it upstairs and I let it sit, and I was just surfing, YouTube, playing the game, whatever. And then I reached over for my water, and I was like, wow, you can taste it. So I think the thing is not using too much, just using drops, not a dropper full, and tasting it as you go along. But also you have to let it sit for like a minute or so to, I guess, what you call it? Marinate in the water. Because once I did that, I was able to now taste the flavors. And so also in their directions, it says if you want it sweet, they do sell liquid sweeteners. They sell sucralose. It's another sweetener that I never heard of they sell. And then they sell monk fruit. Now, I'm not sure if it's monk fruit mixed with erythritol. You can buy that in the grocery store. They do have a liquid monk fruit, but it's mixed with erythritol. And a lot of people don't like the cooling effect of erythritol. It does not bother me. I use the granulated monk fruit by Lancanto, and it is mixed with erythritol. So I don't taste the erythritol in the granular, but when some people use it, some companies use it to cook with, you can taste the cooling effect. It's like a cooling effect that it has, and some people just don't like that. So I did order some sucralose off of Amazon, which I'm going to show y'all next. And I put it in my sparkling water. I poured me another cup of San Pellegrino because I was waiting to do this combo. Now, it is good with just, in your water or sparkling water, but I just felt like, I don't know, it was missing something. It's not like you put a lemon wedge or a piece of fruit in your water. It's not like that. You can tell it's something that is man-made, for a lack of a better word. But it's good and it smells good. I mean, if you get it on your skin, you're not supposed to. And that was another thing. I dropped a pinch of the candy on my skin and I tasted it, and it was like, oh my gosh, this is disgusting. And on the website it says no, you not supposed to take it straight up. It's meant to mix. It's not going to taste good, and it does not. Um, I was smelling like a fruit basket because it does have a very strong smell. It smells so good. It smells so fruity. Um, but I did mix some sucralose in it, and I was like, okay, I'm on to something here. Let me just taste it again. Yes, it tastes good with the sucralose. I won't add so much sucralose next time, and I'll talk to you more about the sucralose in a second when I get to it. But when you open your glass or you put your nose to your cup, you will smell the fruitiness from these. No lie. I wish they made oils like you could put on your skin or put on your hands like a hand cream. I think you can use these in body products. I believe they did say that you could use this in body products. Man, you squeeze a little bit of this into some oil or lotion, coconut oil or something like that. Woo, you be smelling for days with these oils right here. So you can use these to cook with, and you can use them in body products if like you're a product maker and you're just looking for some, you know, um, flavors. And these are the ingredients: propylene glycol, natural and artificial flavoring. So, I showed y'all the website. If you want to check it out, check it out.